Welcome to our tutorial on how to create and edit your nFusion Solutions widgets and their widget settings. Whether you are a new user or just need a quick refresher, we'll guide you through the simple steps to customizing your widgets. Let's get started. Let's begin by logging into the nFusion dashboard and navigating to the Widgets page by clicking on Widgets in the left navigation menu. A crucial point to note is that if the Add New drop-down menu is inactive, and your screen resembles the one demonstrated in this tutorial, it indicates that you've reached the maximum widget limit under your current subscription. Consequently, you won't be able to create additional widgets. For information on expanding your widget limit or upgrading to the Advanced Widgets package, please reach out to our sales team. You can use our quote form by clicking the link on the screen or directly email the sales team at sales@nFusionSolutions.com. They'll be more than happy to assist you. However, if you have not reached your subscription's widget limit and would like to create a new widget, click the Add New drop-down menu in the upper right-hand side of the page and select the type of widget you would like to create. Great job! Now, all we need to do is configure the widget settings. To do this, let's explore what options are available for us to configure. First, choose which version you would like your specified widget to be. For example, if you've chosen the chart widget, you will see the option to choose between versions 1 or 2. In this tutorial, we will create a version 1 chart. Next, choose the time zone, currency, and unit of measure for which you would like your widget to reflect. For the sake of this tutorial, we will use US and Canadian Eastern Time, USD and Troy Ounce respectively. Perfect. The next 3 settings allow you to modify the functionality of the chart. The link out URL allows you to enter a URL that users will be directed to if they click anywhere on the widget. We'll leave this field blank for now. Moving over to the Show Navigator and Show Technicals options. These settings allow you to enable or disable the navigator and technicals that are shown in the chart widget. As a reminder, the Show Technicals option is only available within the advanced version of our widgets package. Please contact our sales team if you would like to learn more about the Advanced Widgets package. Great! Now that we have our widget settings configured how we like, we can click Submit to save and create our new widget instance. And voila! Our new widget now appears in the Widgets table and is ready to be used. Having successfully generated a new widget, let's explore the ways in which we can customize its appearance and functionality to align precisely with our preferences. First, let's explore the default styling of our widget by clicking the View button associated with the recently created widget. This action will open the widget's preview page in a new tab, allowing us to observe and interact with the widget. Now, to modify the widget, navigate back to the Widgets page within your dashboard and click the pencil icon located under the Actions column of the widget. This action will redirect you to the widget's edit page. Within this page, the Customize Widget section at the top allows you to personalize the widget's appearance by uploading CSS, JavaScript, and an image file. In this tutorial, we'll provide a brief overview of this customization process. For a more detailed guide on adding, editing, and deleting custom file uploads, please refer to our dedicated tutorial on the subject. The link to this tutorial is available in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll enhance the appearance of the new widget by uploading a custom CSS file. This file includes styles like font family, border color, background color, and more. Now, let's witness these modifications by returning to the Widgets page and clicking View on the recently created and edited widget. You'll notice that all the styling changes we made, including font, border, and background colors, have been applied, resulting in our chart looking precisely as desired. Moving on to the Edit Widget section, you'll find the same settings configured in the previous step. You can adjust these settings similarly to how we did before, with the only exception being that you cannot alter the widget's version once it has been created. If you accidentally select the wrong version or decide to change it later, you'll need to delete the unwanted version and create a new widget with your preferred version. Let's explore the process of adjusting our widget's settings by switching the currency from USD to EUR and saving the changes. To witness this alteration, once again, navigate back to the Widgets table and click the View button on the widget. You'll observe that the widget's price, currency symbol, number format, and timestamp, now all align with the newly selected currency. Last but not least, you can customize your widget's functionality swiftly through the Options menu on the preview page. Today, we'll focus on the Symbols option for a concise overview. The Symbols option empowers you to select the symbols displayed within the widget. For instance, if you prefer metals like gold and silver, along with the gold-silver ratio, just choose these options, and the widget will reflect these updates automatically. Remember, any changes you make on the preview page will seamlessly update the widget script. With that said, it's important to note that alterations made on the preview page won't impact every instance of this widget, unlike the settings configured earlier. Instead, these changes apply solely to widgets using the script containing the adjustments. Therefore, copy the above script, and it will mirror your configured settings wherever you implement it. For a more comprehensive tutorial on these options, check out our dedicated video linked in the description below. Well done! You've effectively crafted and customized your widget. For a more comprehensive walkthrough of managing custom file uploads and using the widget preview page to modify your widget's script, check out our specialized tutorials on these topics. The links to these tutorials and other useful guides will be in the description below. Before we wrap up, keep in mind that if you encounter any challenges, our support team is here to assist you. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video beneficial, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Until next time, take care.